So today we're going to look at the third angle properties of a circle, which is angles in the same segment. Now, for angle at the same segment, we usually have a diagram like this. It's like a butterfly. The butterfly touches four parts of the circle. Okay, remember butterfly. So let's see how we do this. If this angle here is 100, what will this angle be? 50, right? Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. What is the angle for the red part? It's also 50, right? So if I remove the dotted lines, okay, I don't need the center for this angle property. Do you all see a butterfly? What do you think are these two angles? The property is that they are the same. Now, likewise, these two angles will also be the same. So this is called angles in the same segments are equal. Okay, so that's the property. Okay, the short form will be just angles in the same seg. Okay, let's apply lor. That's all. Very simple. Okay, I need to find this angle. Okay, it's in your resource book, page 96. Let's call this angle Y. Okay, we are asked to find angle Y. So step one, strategize. Let's strategize first. Before we find angle Y, okay, let's call this A, B, C, D. Let's call this E here. Okay, before we find angle Y, which angle must we find first? Strategize first. Just tell me the angle. Which angle? B, yeah? I have to find angle B. Something that you have just learned. Okay, what else must we need to find? Can we get the answer after this? I need to find this. Or I can get the answer straight away. Okay, actually, I will use exterior angle equals sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, to get the answer straight away. Okay, so two steps only. I will first find this angle, then straight away I can find this angle already. Okay, so I will use the shortest way. Okay, let's find this angle first. So, angle ABE. Now, if you don't like to write ABE, again, you can just write that this is A. And you can write down angle A. Okay, angle A is how much? You just learned like 20 seconds ago. Yes. So what's the angle property? Say out. Yeah. So when you have a butterfly, you have angles in the same segments. Now please be careful. This looks like a butterfly also, right? Can you spot what's the difference? Not all the 4 points touches the circumference. Very good, Sheila. Not all the 4 points touches the circumference. This one is for angle at the center. Is twice the angle at the circumference. This one has the butterfly touching all 4 sides of the circle. Okay, all 4 points touches the side of the circle. It is angles in the same segments. What does angle in the same segment say? One last time. These two angles are equal. So angle A, angle B are equal. Angle C, angle D are equal. Okay? Okay, let's continue. If this is 102, I can find Y finally. What do you think is the answer? These two angles add up to how much? These two angles add up to 129. So in order to find Y, I just use 129 minus 102. Who cannot understand, raise your hand. I do it another way. Can So what's the reason? Exterior angle. Okay, if you cannot remember the rest, just write like that. But I hope you remember. Exterior angle equals to the sum of interior opposite angles. Now, one of you just now say that I will use angle sum of triangle and I will use angles on a straight line. You can do that. Okay, so it's up to you. The answer is 27. Okay. Cheng Jun, help me stop the video, please.